Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 14S, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, swipe down twice from the top of your screen, which will bring down a bunch of toggles, and next look for your hotspot toggle. For me, it is visible right here on the second page. Now, once you see this toggle, before you tap on it to turn it on, I recommend holding it, as this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function, as well as being able to change the hotspot password. So click right over here, set up portable hotspot. Automatically it selects your password. You can click on this little eye icon to see what the password is, but it is randomly generated and not very easy to remember. So I just recommend getting rid of this one and then setting up your own password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters or numbers, doesn't really matter. Next, click on the check mark right here to save the changes, and you can close this, find the toggle once more, tap on it, and your hotspot is now enabled and you can connect to it with other devices. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.